In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction. This is a handy feature whether you're making some updates, launching a new product, or just want to temporarily take your site offline while you perfect those finishing touches. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional under construction page ready to go. First things first, let's navigate to your Wix editor. Once you're logged into your account and inside the editor, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find the Pages and Menu option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you manage all the pages of your website, making it a crucial step in setting up your under construction page. At the bottom of this panel, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add Menu Item. Clicking on this will present you with various options for new page elements that you can incorporate into your site. We're focusing on New Page today, which will allow us to create a bespoke under construction page from scratch. After clicking New Page, a menu will appear on the left-hand side. You'll want to locate and select Landing Page. Landing pages are highly customizable and perfect for a focused under construction message. This will allow you to control the messaging visitors see while your site is undergoing changes. Once that's done, you'll notice different landing page templates laid out before you. Feel free to hover over them, and when you find one that captures the look and feel you want, click Add Page. This action integrates the chosen template into your website, allowing you to edit and customize it as needed. Now, it's time to personalize your page. A field will appear where you can type in the name for this new page. This could be as simple as under construction, but feel free to get creative if something else conveys your message better. After naming the page, be sure to click Done to save all your progress. If you want this under construction page to be the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your website, you'll need to set it as your home page. This is a crucial final step if your intention is to replace your current homepage temporarily. Look for the Site Pages section. Find the page you've just created, and there should be an option to set it as your homepage. And there you have it. Your Wix website now has an under construction page ready for visitors. Making these changes is an effective way to manage your website's content, while also ensuring your visitors know you haven't disappeared. Remember to restore your original homepage once the updates are complete. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more website tips and tricks.